Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can get this AI girlfriend filter on TikTok. Okay, so this is the effect. To get this effect, what you can do, go to the effect gallery. Okay, in trending section, remember this image. This is the filter. Okay, suppose you can't see the filter here in trending section. What you can do, tap on the search button and search for AI girlfriend. AI girlfriend. Okay, lots of effects are there, but I am using this one, the fourth one. This one is good. 52.4K video. Tap on it. Okay, you got the filter. Now you can browse the picture from your camera roll and you are done. Suppose you are not getting the effect like this from the effect gallery. What you can do, go to your For You page and go to AI girlfriend filter search. Okay, here tap on view all. Okay, we are using the fourth one. Tap on it and you will be directed to the effect page. Now from here you can edit to your favorites, and at the bottom of the screen you will see use this effect. You can tap there to use the effect. Okay, suppose you can't see the effects here, effect icons, then what you can do, tap on any of this video, then okay, this is how we filter. Okay, this is the AI girlfriend filter. Okay, just tap on the yellow icon on the bottom left corner of the screen. Okay, and you'll be directed to the effect page again. From here you can use this effect. Suppose you are not getting the effect either way from the For You page, what you can do, okay, visit this website. Link to this website I'll give you in the description box below. Okay, so here in this website you will see the effect icon. Just tap there. Okay, and you will be directed to the effect page again. Now tap on the record button at the bottom of the screen. Okay, and you got the filter. Now need to browse the picture from camera roll. Okay, let's browse the picture. Let's go with this one. Okay, it will take some time, so I can tap on continue generate in draft. After some time I can go to my draft and I can see this filter. So that's it guys. Likewise you can get this effect on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.